You can feel free to use the smaller blue ones. We won't be using them for this particular project, but you can, of course, use the smaller blue circles if you like. Put our blue away. We have a little white sitting out, and what we're going to do is basically the same thing. We're just going to cut our smaller silver confetti. All right. Now, same thing, if you get some sticking, oops, that one won't fit. Find a brush that you can push down in there, and it'll pop right out. And that should be good. Now, the fun thing about this particular design is that it's pretty loose and free. You can put your confetti however you want to put it. You don't necessarily have to be stuck in any sort of set pattern. So go ahead and stick your blue ones on first. And another thing you can do is if you take your paring knife, you can cut some of your larger circles in half. And you can place them on your edges just to add a little continuity. Make it look like the design goes up onto the top as well. And we're just attaching these with a little bit of water. I think I'm going to put one more up here at the top, and that looks pretty good. All right. So now we're going to go ahead and add what will be our little silver confetti. And I'm just going to overlap it, just like that. I know that's might be a little hard to see right now because it's the white on white. Last one. Now we're just going to leave this for now until we're ready to do all our silver painting. And now we'll get started on our stripes.